If you've ever wanted to shop on eBay but weren't sure how it works in the Philippines, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, head over to eBay and browse for the item you want. You can use the search bar or explore categories until you find what you're looking for. Once you've found an item, take a moment to check the shipping and payments section. This is very important because it tells you whether the seller ships directly to the Philippines or if they're using eBay's international shipping program. If the seller offers shipping to the Philippines, you'll see the estimated delivery time and cost. Always review this carefully before proceeding. If international shipping is available, eBay handles customs and tracking for you, which makes the process a lot smoother. Next, look over the product description and seller rating. High-rated sellers are usually more reliable, so this helps you avoid scams or delays. Once everything looks good, click Buy It Now or add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, you'll need to sign in or create an eBay account, then enter your Philippine shipping address. Choose your preferred payment method. Most people use credit or debit cards, but PayPal is also widely accepted for extra security. After completing your payment, you'll receive an order confirmation email along with tracking details once the seller ships your item. From there, all you have to do is wait for it to arrive at your doorstep. And that's it. Buying from eBay Philippines is simple once you know what to check. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more quick and easy tutorials to make your online shopping stress-free.